Hello and welcome to a new episode how to learn JavaScript from beginner to advanced. Today we will discuss about an operator in logical operator in JavaScript. His name is or operator in JavaScript. Let's see a simple explanation for this operator. This operator OR is used to check if at least one condition is true. At least one condition is true, no OR. AND operator, all condition should be true. OR operator in JavaScript, at least a condition is true. One condition is true. How it works? If any of the condition is true, the whole expression becomes true. If all conditions are false, the result is false. It's simple. At least one condition is true. That means is true the all condition, all expressions. Okay. For example, if I have true, this is a sign, or true. This is true, no? Okay, but if I have true or false, this is true again. This is true again because one condition is true. I have one here true. For AND operator, sorry for my English, I didn't study in school. All I know in English is from YouTube. For AND operator, if I have true and true, is true this condition. But if I have true and false, this is false, because in case of AND you should to have all true, no? Just this is okay. Okay, retain for this operator OR is used to check if at least one condition is true. Let's go to work. Let's do an example, create an example to understand more better how it works, this operator, when you are coding. For example, let's make an if condition. Let's create an if condition with this operator for to see if we can to go outside or better stay inside. We have two variables, is sunny and is weekend. Okay, create two variables. Let is sunny. I put for is sunny true. Let is weekend, I put false. I have here two boolean values. Now I assign true for is sunny. Here first mistake. Okay, and now I create one condition, if else. If is sunny, in my case is sunny is true, okay, or is weekend, in my case is weekend is false. I have here if true and is weekend is false. If true and false, true and false is true if I use this operator, no, because I use OR, and just one of this should to be true, and all expression is true when I use OR. Okay, and let's put here something in this statements, a function console.log with a string. I want just to display something, and I put console log. But if you want to return something, you put return. Let's go outside. Else better stay inside. Let's analyze this code. I have here OR operator. Let's put a comment here above OR operator in JavaScript, and the sign is this. No, okay. We have two variables. Let's follow them. Is sunny and is weekend. Is sunny is true, is weekend is false. True or false means true. That means this part of code will be executed when I run this function, because when you use if is true, first part will be executed. Let's see. Let's go outside. This is correctly. Okay, but if I change here and is sunny, I change it to false again. Let's follow this. Is sunny is false. Is sunny, or is weekend false. False or false. I don't have at least one condition to be true. That means will be false, and if it will be false, that means the second part of my statements will be executed, the part with else, and will appear here. Better stay inside. 2 seconds. Something is wrong here. I have false is weekend. False. Console.log else. Better stay inside. And I at console.log no, in this function should to display in console.log. Okay, no problem. Let's see. Better stay inside. Okay, let's suppose that I want to add a new parameter to this if else. I add a new parameter, a new variable. Let have free time. Let have free time. And I assign it the boolean value true. Inside this if, now should to put to continue with this have free time. If is sunny or is weekend or have free time, one from them if is true, this part of code will be executed. What do you want will be happen here? Let's go outside. Why? Because this is true. No, this is true, and or means one from all should to be true, and all expression will be considered true. Okay, This is just an if else with 3 variables, but let me to transform this into a function. Okay, let's transform this into a function. I have a function, and this is an important, listen to me carefully and listen to me with attention, because in JavaScript, in Java or other language program, a good an important thing is to know to write function, no? And let's think how to write a function, how to think for write a function. Let's write a function. I want to write a function with this data, no? I have 3 variables. Okay, what have a function? A function have keyword function. A function have a name, or if you want to use an anonymous name, anonymous function, you can don't put the name. I put a name now, and function what should I do is the name. What should I do? Do you see I use this camel case when the first letter of word is capital, no? You see here S and I and D. Okay, after this we put these statements, and here between these parentheses we put the parameters. Now I define a function, but after you define a function, you should to call this function below it, no? Because when you create a function, you have 2 parts. First part is to define function, where you put the logical of function statements in the statements, and you have the second part where you put the call of this function with arguments. Okay, I put here parameters. I have 3 parameters now because I want to transform this in a function. I have this is sunny, first parameter. Okay, I take it. Second parameter, I have this is weekend. I put here. And third parameter, sorry for my English. Okay, have free time. I have now 3 parameters, and inside I put a condition. Condition is this condition, no, but I put it in this function. In my function I put if is sunny or is weekend or have free time, display let's go outside. In other case, display better stay inside. Okay, I create a function now with 3 parameters. Let's see what happens. Nothing happened because you don't call this function. Should to call. I forgot the second part of a function with calling the function with arguments. And when you call a function, you put the name of function. What should I do? And between parentheses you put in the same order the arguments. Is sunny, is weekend, and have free time. Okay, is sunny. I put for is sunny, I put here true, a boolean value. for his weekend. I put false or false, I don't know the pronunciations. And every time I put true. And now I have a function. What should I do with 3 parameters? Inside I have a logical is sunny or is weekend or every time run this code. And after I call this with argument true for is sunny, false for is weekend, true for every time. Let's see what happened here. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. Why? Because I have true for every time and true for is sunny. And I know if I use or, at least one should be true. I have here 2. Okay, let's copy this to put again another call or function. I put false, false. I put false for is sunny, is cloudy. No, let's see what happened. Again, let's go outside. You see here I have 2 times. Let's go outside. Why? Because I have at least one true. I have true for every time, and all this expression will be considered true. Okay, no problem. Again I create another one, but from this time I will put false, probably false. I will put false, and I have false for all variables, for all parameters. In this case, better stay inside, and I have just 2 with let's go outside. Okay, that was all for today. I hope you understand how to use or in JavaScript, when should to use or when should to use, and in the next episode, in the next tutorial, I will combine this operator. I will combine or with I will join with and you can put, for example, here a long conditional, but is not a good approach. Is not syntactic sugar. Is difficult for the people who come after you, who read after you the code, don't understand what you want to write on this page. Okay, that was all the best. Don't forget to practice, follow me, push the bell button, and subscribe. Stay and watching on my tutorial video for a good understanding of this JavaScript. Sorry for my English. Have the nice day.